Wait a minute, that's completely wrong. It should read Yogspack Plus minus episode 13. Oh well. Gotta see what those bombs do sometime. Yes, the bombs in my inventory. The first step. Or should I say the second step? This crappy thing was the first step. Anyway, it's the most energy efficient way to make stuff. I need this stuff, so. And I will put the remainder of the iron dust. Iron powder, whatever. Got a lot of this stuff. I'm not telling how much of that you'll need. How is it that the dogs in the other room pick up better than my voice? Should I talk in my loud, annoying, nasally voice, or should I talk in my quiet, hard to pick up voice? Ugh. Right, how much steel do I need for the ridge? I need 4 steel and 1 osmium. That means I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need 8, 9, 10. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 iron ingots. Iron isn't on short supply, however. You know what? Screw you, world domination with open blocks. Go in here. Let me think. What do I need now? What am I gonna do now? Oh yeah. I need more coal. Gee, I wonder where I'm going to find some coal. Oh yeah, right here. There's some right here. This should be more than enough to get what I need. Wait a minute, I don't need 10 steel. Wind turbine. Osmium, enriched alloy, and energy tablets. 3 gold ingots and 2 more enriched alloys. Okay, is it me or does this microphone pick up things outside there better? Anyway, control circuits, I'm going to need a lot of stuff. That was stupid of me. Did I already forget that I needed the carbon in order to enrich steel? Make the steel and Metal Gear. Yeah. Oh, so that's where the water is. See? Touch. It would reach that, actually. But it wouldn't reach that, or that, or that. And I don't like that stalactite there. Going to range, dig it away. First shot. Welcome to the Aperture Science Enrichment Facility. Here you will have a time. That is the most expensive recipe ever. Enriched alloy, redstone. So that's 3 redstone. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. 8 times 3, that's 24. 24 redstone, right there. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4 of that stuff. 120 carbon should be enough. While this is firing up, I will just be waiting. Be back soon. Okay then. At this speed, it's going to take quite a while. I don't want to waste all my precious redstone because I'm going to need a lot of that, so I built the survivalist generator. I'll probably get all the grinding done before that's done. So, yeah. Be back soon again. X amount of time later. This is how much has been done. There's enough time for me to get 6 gold dust, 10 more iron dust, and contemplate the meaning of why I'm doing this. And realize that the time I'm waiting, the amount of time I'm wasting waiting is too much. So, that was a complete waste of time. That's what I would say if it was, but it's not. Now I got the smelting power of a factory. Let's check in on our generators. And spending all this time making it so that if I were to do this again, it would take less time. Does that make any sense? Probably not. That probably does. Redstone, steel, So I have 24 basic cables now. Stupid spastic mouse. Finally, that tedious and long process is done. Time to get the next long and tedious process started. Wasting coal. Because I'm going to need a lot of iron if I'm going to make one of these. Osmium, enriched alloy. Starting with this. Let's see. Am I gonna have enough redstone? I better have enough redstone. It's 3 redstone. 4. 7. 10, 11, 12, 13. Just enough redstone, apparently. I'm still gonna need some osmium. I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 iron. Just barely enough redstone to make. Hopefully. Oh my god. Just realized something. I'm going to run out of redstone. Yep. And making the power mechanism for this, gonna run out of redstone. That is not gonna be good. Not good at all.